how to find out that somebody is having inflammation?
When you wake up in the morning, if you are wearing a ring, just remove your ring, and if it is tight on your finger, you are inflamed. यहाँ पे टाइटन लग रहा है तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि your heart also is inflamed, your lungs also inflamed. लोग सोचते हैं कि मैदा is the villain. मैदा is not the villain. The real villain is sunflower oil.
What's your take on ghee?
People consider certain food as healthy food, superfood, healthy food. I don't know whether there is something exists called superfood in the world.
I want to talk about hormones. Are these also decided by the genes?
Women जो hypothyroidism case में है, especially in business or in job, most of the decisions will be wrong. Diabetes is normal. Hypertension is normal. It's okay. It's not okay.
It can actually change your life. It can make you rich, it can make you poor, it can make you successful, it can make you a loser.
Absolutely. You are going to see a world where there is no, diabetes, there is no Alzheimer's, there is no Parkinson's, there is no cardio-related challenges. Death is going to be optional by 2045.
Don't you think ये बहुत ही बड़ा claim है?
जब आपका brain आपके ऊपर mastery पाते हैं, you have no clue what this guy is going to do with you. This is you, this is your brain. You have nothing to do with this guy. This guy is different.
One thing people should stop doing after the age of 35 to delay the signs of aging.
You need to be inspired in life. अगर आप inspired हो तो आप youthful होगा. What do you really want in your life? क्या करना है जिंदगी को लेके? कुछ तो करना है. No idea. And if you ask me one thing to live a long, healthy, productive life, I would rather say that the shortcut is
अपनी बायोलॉजी को हैक करके अपनी एज को जितना चाहें उतना बढ़ा सकें, आप जैसे जीना चाहें वैसे जी सकें. Sounds magical, right? But this is a reality today. और इस टॉपिक पे डिस्कशन करने के लिए आज हमने इनवाइट किया है डॉक्टर सजीव नायर को. ये बायो हैकिंग एंड लॉन्जेविटी एक्सपर्ट हैं और आज की ये डिस्कशन आपके आगे की लाइफ को बदल सकती है. स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं बताना चाहूंगी कि आप इन सभी पॉडकास्ट की शॉर्टर क्लिप्स हमारे दूसरे चैनल गुंजन टॉक्स क्लिप्स पर देख सकते हैं ताकि आप कम समय में सारी नॉलेज का फायदा ले सकें. चैनल का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है और चलिए आज के इस एपिसोड को स्टार्ट करते हैं. बायो हैकिंग की हम बात कर रहे हैं. तो संजीव जी, आपसे मैं सबसे पहले ये समझना चाहती हूँ कि बायो हैकिंग है क्या, होती क्या है?
इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन. एट द सेम टाइम बहुत सारे लोगों के मन में है एक सवाल. आजकल तो बहुत सुन रहे हैं ना बायो हैकिंग के बारे में. एक्चुअली इट्स नॉट वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. ये वर्ड कैसे आ गया? इट्स मेनली बिकॉज now everything can be measured and monitored. I have got this ring. This is measuring so many different things. I can decode my DNA. I can decode my microbiome. So, बहुत सारी information मुझे मिल सकता है.
Right.
So, based on the information, I can actually design. I can actually take control of my own health. So, biohacking is nothing but hacking your own biology. Hacking means what? Taking control. आप आपके biology के ऊपर पूरी control आप ला रहे हैं. That's the best thing what you can do when your objective, you said that people who wanted to live longer, healthier. It's not just longer, longer, healthier, younger.
Yes.
For that, the only one option is take control. आपके पूरा biology, psychology, physiology, उसका पूरा control आपके हाथ में होना चाहिए.
Wow. So just like हमारे टेलीविजन पे कंट्रोल होता है.
हाँ.
एक रिमोट कंट्रोलर के थ्रू, उसी तरह हमारी हेल्थ का रिमोट कंट्रोल है बायो हैकिंग.
बिल्कुल. इनफैक्ट मैं ऑलवेज लोगों से कहता हूँ, यानी कि आपके घर पे जो भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इक्विपमेंट्स है वो सबके लिए ऑपरेटिंग मैनुअल है. सही है ना? आपका लैपटॉप का ऑपरेटिंग, आप पढ़ रहे हैं या नहीं, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन ऑल टुगेदर, बट स्टिल यू हैव एन ऑपरेटिंग मैनुअल. बट यू हैव गॉट सच अ कॉम्प्लेक्स, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड इक्विपमेंट. That's
body,
you.
Yes.
You have got 100 billion neurons working here, 60 to 70 trillion cells.
Yes.
Each of the cells has got 1,000 plus mitochondria. Imagine the kind of complexity. बट हमारे पास कोई ऑपरेटिंग मैनुअल नहीं है, हमको पता नहीं है किस तरीके से इसको ऑपरेट करना है. हम सोच रहे हैं कि अगर कोई डिजीज नहीं है तो मैं हेल्थी हूं. ओके, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल स्टिल बिलीव दैट डॉक्टर्स आर इन चार्ज ऑफ माय हेल्थ. अगर मुझे कुछ हो गया तो मैं डॉक्टर के पास जाऊंगा. नो, डॉक्टर्स आर इन चार्ज ऑफ योर डिजीजेस, दे आर नॉट इन चार्ज ऑफ योर हेल्थ.
राइट.
आपके हेल्थ का एक ही चार्ज है, वो आप है.
100%. बिल्कुल सही बात है. वो तो हम बीमार होने के बाद डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं. बीमार होने से पहले का जो कंट्रोल है वो आपके अपने हाथ में.
बिल्कुल. एंड इमेजिन, wellness is always cheaper than illness. Yes. Not many people think about that. I read one LinkedIn story by a lady. I don't remember her name. She was an IT software professional working in Mumbai, and she was having a apartment in Mumbai. तो उनका वो जो LinkedIn पोस्ट का टाइटल ये था कि मिडिल क्लास इज वन हॉस्पिटल बिल अवे फ्रॉम पॉवर्टी. What a meaningful statement. क्योंकि उनको एक स्ट्रोक हुआ.
Okay.
At the age of 36, she had a stroke. उसके बाद, I think she was undergoing treatment. Insurance couldn't meet all the expenses. She had to sell the apartment. She had to go back to the village. And actually, middle class is just one hospital bill away from poverty. So ये लोग समझता नहीं है. लोग सोच रहे हैं कि हाँ कुछ हो गया तो उस टाइम देख लेंगे. Then you have no control on the spend. At least on the wellness, you have a control on the spend.
Exactly. You can prevent a lot from happening.
Yeah. You can decide which kind of fitness center you want to go to. आप डिसाइड कर सकते हैं आपको पर्सनल ट्रेनर चाहिए नहीं. आप डिसाइड कर सकते हैं कि किस तरह का सप्लीमेंट आप परचेज कर सकते हैं. At least you can actually budget.
Right.
अगर आपके बीमारी के ऊपर आप कैसे बजट करेंगे?
Right.
You cannot create a budget on disease.
डॉक्टर, हमारी 2 तरह की एज होती है. एक है हमारी कैलेंडर एज, जिसे ऑफ कोर्स हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. दूसरी है हमारी बायोलॉजिकल एज. हम कैसा दिख रहे हैं, हमारे ऑर्गन्स कितने हेल्दी हैं, यंग हैं. तो ये बायोलॉजिकल एज किन चीज़ों पे डिपेंड करती है और किस तरह से कोई इंसान लंबे समय तक, मतलब जो आज अपने 20s 30s में है, वो 50s 60s में भी बायोलॉजिकली यंग फील कर सकता है.
इनफैक्ट जैसे आपने कहा जो एजिंग अगर आप देखें तो देयर आर 2 टाइप्स ऑफ एज वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट. वन इज अ क्रोनोलॉजिकल एज, जो आपके कैलेंडर के मुताबिक आपकी जो एज है वो क्रोनोलॉजिकल एज है.
जी.
देन द अदर वन इज कॉल्ड द बायोलॉजिकल एज, जो आपके सेलुलर लेवल का एज है.
Right.
Maybe that your date, as per your date of birth, you may be 40, but as per your biology, you may be 50.
Yes.
Now, diseases, they don't care about your chronological age.
Yeah. That's true.
जो भी diseases है, especially lifestyle diseases, they only work on your biological age. Okay. Now the question comes, aging, क्या वजह होता है इसके लिए? What is the reason for all these kinds of things happening in human? Is it necessary that we should age? Or is it possible to reverse age? These are the kind of questions nowadays. A lot of discussions are going on. Now, this new school of thought which says that aging has to be treated as a disease.
Okay.
Yani ki just like any other disease, you have to treat aging. So that means just like any other disease, you can reverse aging. You can prevent faster aging. See, now, there are many reasons why people age. और अदर जो भी एजिंग के बारे में हम बात करते हैं, उसमें एक स्पेसिफिक रीजन तो नहीं है. And all the kinds of diseases which you call it as lifestyle diseases, most of these diseases are connected to aging. Okay. Now some people say that, if that is connected to aging, ये 30 साल की उम्र पे कैसे होता है ये disease? But check his biological age, he may be 55 already. His organs must have aged 55.
Yes.
So now the question is, there are so many reasons like mitochondrial dysfunctions, oxidative stress. There are at least 7 different reasons which has been scientifically proven for aging.
For aging.
Yeah. तो अगर आप देखें तो इस चीजों के बारे में कुछ आपको इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाए, and then you can actually take some steps. मैं एक example देता हूँ, simple एक example.
Yeah.
See, हमारे body के अंदर 60 to 70 trillion cells है हमारे body के अंदर. Every cell has got about 1,000 to 2,000 mitochondria. Mitochondria is a powerhouses.
Powerhouse.
जो आपको continuously energy create करते रहते हैं. And your brain, your retina, and your heart. The cells in these organs have got about 10,000 mitochondria because it's functioning all the time.
Right.
So that is why when aging, the first places where it affects is your retina, your brain, and your heart. Mainly because it has the maximum number of mitochondria. Aging में एक चीज होता है, or rather anti-aging में एक चीज होता है, जहाँ पे you have to purposefully put your body into stress. You know, when you're putting your body into stress, the mitochondria functions enhances. I'm just talking about one factor called mitochondria. Okay. जैसे कि you do a high intensity exercise. You're putting your body into stress. आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि you're going to die. That's the time all this mitochondria will wake up.
So it's their self-defense mechanism.
बिल्कुल. यानी कि अगर aging के बारे में हम सोच ले, coming to that specific question, yes, aging is definitely a process.
Yeah.
But it is not a disastrous process. यानी कि आपके कंट्रोल में है वो. मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि people are going to live for thousands and thousands and thousands of years. No. I'm saying that the way you want to age, you can decide. मैं decide कर सकता हूँ कि मैं, okay, even at the age of 70, I wanted to do the things which I can do at the age of 40. It is possible. हमारा जो अभी भी बॉलीवुड का सुपरस्टार, so almost everyone is above 60 and they are performing much better than any 30s.
Absolutely.
So that itself is an example in front of us. दुनिया में अब geneticists, a bunch of geneticists, they believe that death is going to be optional by 2045.
I would actually like to bring a different angle to this conversation. You believe in spirituality? You believe in God? जो इंसान का, ह्यूमन बीइंग का बर्थ होता है और डेथ होता है, वो होना ही है. बर्थ एंड डेथ इज अ नेचुरल फिनोमिना. तो हम अपनी एज को अपने कंट्रोल में कैसे कर सकते हैं? हम सिर्फ प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं बीमारियों को होने से, बट एज यू सेड कि 2045 तक डेथ हमारे कंट्रोल में होगी. ये कैसे पॉसिबल है? डोंट यू थिंक ये बहुत ही बड़ा क्लेम है?
It is not that you're not going to die. There are going to be death is optional. That means, इसका meaning अगर आप देखें तो there is a book by title called Death of Death. Death
of Death. Okay.
So they have proven that किस तरीके से something called epigenetic science. Epigenetic science means genes आपको पता है ना. So 23 chromosomes came from your mother, 23 chromosomes came from your father. When you were formed as a first cell inside your mother's womb, which is called a zygote. Okay, वो सेल के अंदर 23 pair chromosomes ही थे.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
That one cell multiplied into 60 to 70 trillion cells now.
Yes.
If you look at that chromosomes, those DNA, those genes, that carried all the information. किस तरीके से आपका जो फेस का जो स्किन का टोन कैसा होना चाहिए, हेयर का स्ट्रक्चर के सभी इंफॉर्मेशन उसके अंदर थे.
बिल्कुल.
Along with that, it carried the information about the diseases which your parents carried.
Yes.
Which we call it as gene variants.
Yeah.
There is variations in the gene structure. Genes are nothing but information. This gene variant you are carrying, like my father died from heart attack. My grandfather also had cardiac related issues.
Okay.
Now, when I did my genetic testing, I found that I'm carrying that gene variant.
Yeah.
जो coronary artery disease में हो सकता है. यानी कि इससे ये साबित नहीं होता कि मैं वो जीन वेरिएंट मेरे अंदर है इसलिए आई एम हैविंग ए हार्ट डिजीज. नो, इट कैन एक्सप्रेस एज ए हार्ट डिजीज. मेरे अंदर वो सवाल है कि अगर मुझे एक्सप्रेस है ये जीन वेरिएंट मेरे अंदर एक्सप्रेस होने वाला है तो कब एक्सप्रेस हो जाएगा, क्यों एक्सप्रेस हो जाएगा, व्हाट कैन मेक इट एक्सप्रेस.
ओके, ट्रिगर क्या होगा,
ट्रिगर क्या होगा. अगर मुझे वो ट्रिगर के बारे में पता चल गया और कोई मुझे हेल्प कर रहे हैं वो ट्रिगर को ब्लॉक करने के लिए, then I am actually stopping the disease to happen. Fortunate are those people who knew or who are going to know about how to make these diseases disappear, or how to prevent this kind of diseases. What we are saying is that you are going to see a world where there is no diabetes, there is no Alzheimer's, there is no Parkinson's, there is no cardio related challenges
And cancer?
and cancer. Yeah.
Okay.
आपका जो lifestyle, आपका nutrition, what you should eat, what you should not eat, what kind of exercise, because some exercise can trigger those genes.
Okay.
That is why even at the age of 40s, you can see, celebrities die on the gym floor,
Yes. Yes.
even after having all the money in the world. Why? Because certain exercises actually make certain gene variants express. Even from the genetic profile, we can tell you whether you can run a marathon or not. Coming back to that original question, what you asked, it is not like stopping death, but at the same time, the way we have defined death right now is all connected to disease.
So eliminating all the
Possible probable factors.
that leads to it.
Yes.
So one can actually have a natural death.
Yes. And can have a longer, healthier life.
Healthier life.
इसलिए हम कहते हैं ना, a new word which has come up, which is called the health span rather than lifespan. We have been talking a lot about lifespan because people are living longer now.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But now let's talk about health span. It's not just about, because in
Yes.
India itself, अगर आप देखें तो average life expectancy तो
69.
69,
Yes.
70. That means 1 out of 3 people are going to live more than 100 years anyway.
So we are talking about controlling those triggers which may lead to diseases which are predefined in your genes. I want to talk about वो कौन से फैक्टर्स हैं जो ट्रिगर कर सकते हैं हमारे जीन्स को टू एक्ट अ सर्टेन वे, बिकॉज यू आर इनटू दिस स्पेस फ्रॉम ईयर्स और आप इतने टाइम से इसमें काम कर रहे हो, तो क्या आपके हिसाब से कुछ इस तरह के ट्रिगर्स हैं, डेली लाइफ ट्रिगर्स, जिनको लोग आज से ही समझकर कंट्रोल करें ताकि वो जल्दी एज ना करें?
Very interesting question. Third largest cause of death in the world is change in zip code.
Oh, change in geography.
Yeah. So आप दिल्ली में हैं और यहाँ से आप शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं दुबई में. This can make some of your gene expressed. It is not Dubai which is making the gene expressed. Could be the oil, could be the air, could be the water, could be the kind of stress, could be the uncertainty in that place. Anything can trigger the gene. So अगर आप देखें तो gene expressions को trigger करने के लिए बहुत सारे factors होते हैं. Okay. But when you ask about common things which are actually making some of the genes trigger, हमने कुछ study किया है. For example, Indian population में हमने अभी तक हमारे एप्लिमो प्रोग्राम में 10,000 से ज्यादा लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर चुके हैं, in which we actually make them go through a genetic profiling using 2 ml of the saliva. और वहां से तकरीबन 275 हेल्थ कंडीशंस का जो प्रोबेबिलिटी, रिस्क फैक्टर्स हम एनालाइज करते हैं, और हम ये भी स्टडी करते हैं कि किस तरह का जीन वेरिएंट्स कैन कॉज दिस डिजीजेस. सपोज मेरे अंदर एक जीन वेरिएंट है जो which actually gives me a risk of coronary artery disease. मेरे अंदर है. Now to understand that, I don't require a genetic test because my father died because of heart attack, so I must be having that gene. मेरा इंटरेस्ट क्या है? मेरा इंटरेस्ट तो समझने के लिए कि what can trigger this. I'm having this gene variant right from my birth. So but it is sleeping now. What can make this guy wake up?
Yes.
Now वहां पे हमको ये correlation करके ये आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि what could be the common triggers for this. And do I have the same trigger? Do I have any other deficiency in any other vitamins? I'll just give you one example. In my case, I also carry a gene variant which elevates my homocysteine. Homocysteine is a protein which is produced inside your body, which elevates homocysteine. Okay, now this is a good finding. क्योंकि majority जो लोग हैं जिनको हार्ट अटैक होता है, अगर उनका ब्लड टेस्ट उस टाइम करे तो होमोसिस्टीन लेवल ज्यादा होगा. So I have that gene variant which can elevate my homocysteine. Okay. So my first recommendation is every 3 months I should do my blood test and make sure that my homocysteine level is below 10. Okay. Now, second question is, इस जीन जो है ना, जो होमोसिस्टीन का लेवल को बढ़ाने वाला जीन वेरिएंट है,
Uh-huh.
उसको ऑन करने वाला ट्रिगर क्या है? That is the most important, because
Yes,
if
yes.
that if this becomes on, this becomes on.
Yes.
Now नॉर्मली होमोसिस्टीन का जो प्रोटीन है वो बहुत अटैच्ड है एक जीन है जिसके नाम है MTHFR, द लॉन्गेस्ट जीन इन योर बॉडी. In my case, I have got genetically a deprivation or low concentration or low absorption power for a vitamin called B9, which is folic
Okay.
acid.
Okay.
Okay, so and there is already an established connection between B9 shortage and homocysteine, which is publicly
Okay.
available.
Okay. So there's this.
There is a
relation.
correlation.
Hmm.
यानी कि मेरा B9 लेवल और फोलेट लेवल जब भी ड्रॉप होता है तो होमोसिस्टीन का जीन ऑन हो
बढ़
जाएगा,
जाता है.
वो बंदा भी ऑन हो जाएगा. Now, how do I hack it? I have to make sure my B9 level is sustained.
Right.
How do I do it? Every 3 to 4 months, I do a blood test. I make sure that my homocysteine, जब भी मुझे लग रहा है कि 13-14 पहुंच रहा है, तो immediately I take a methyl folate supplement.
Oh.
And after taking methyl folate for a week, I go for a blood test. I see that the homocysteine. So this is a hack. समझ गया? So this is how the correlations work. Another thing which I'll tell you for Indians, general thing, because India is a country where you have maximum number of heart attacks happening.
Yes.
दूसरी चीज हमने जो देखा है, around 78 to 80% of the people in India, उनके अंदर टाइप 2 डायबिटीज को लीड करने वाला, टाइप 2 डायबिटीज डायरेक्शन में जाने की संभावना है, उस तरह का जीन वेरिएंट है उसमें, उसके अंदर, उनके अंदर. And out of this 78% people, 78 to 80% people, almost 90% लोगों में मैग्नीशियम मिनरल जो है ना, मैग्नीशियम, उसका लो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन यानी कि अब्सॉर्प्शन कैपेबिलिटी कम है.
Okay.
So I don't know, anybody has dealt diabetes that way. तो हमने क्या किया, हमने बहुत सारे लोगों से बात किया और हमने मैग्नीशियम उन लोगों को सप्लीमेंट करने के लिए कहा, and they could start seeing results.
मैग्नीशियम सप्लीमेंट लेने से उनका डायबिटीज कंट्रोल होने लगा.
Yes. And people who are prone towards diabetes, I think this could be a good way if you know that if your problem is actually connected to magnesium. अगर आप जनरल चीजों के बारे में बात कर ले तो मेरे ख्याल से इंडिया में मैग्नीशियम is one thing which I have seen as something which is deprivation. और मैग्नीशियम का डिप्रिवेशन सिर्फ इसके ऊपर नहीं है, आपको पता होगा, यानी कि दिस एक्चुअली deprivation of sleep is from magnesium. Magnesium can be one cause.
Yes.
There are so many other important aspects, just by correcting your magnesium deficiency, you can see that things happening. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि हाँ मैं तो ब्लड टेस्ट करता हूँ, ब्लड टेस्ट में तो ठीक है, मैग्नीशियम लेवल तो ठीक है. Number one is that, you are genetically, if you are prone or you are prone for a low concentration, यानी कि genetically you cannot absorb it. You cannot see it on the blood.
Okay, so your blood reports will show
Will be
that
fine.
you have enough magnesium, but your body is actually not absorbing it well.
Yeah. We have seen one more trend, I'll tell you, because बहुत सारे लोग अब कीटो डाइट, एयर डाइट, ओ डाइट के पीछे चल रहे हैं. हमने देखा है बहुत सारे लोग इंडिया में जो है जिनके अंदर उस तरह का जो जीन वेरिएंट है, which actually inhibits fat metabolism. We call it as an impaired fat metabolism. यानी कि आपका फैट्स को ब्रेक डाउन करने के लिए, प्रोटीन को ब्रेक डाउन करने के लिए, कार्बोहाइड्रेट को ब्रेक डाउन करने के लिए देयर आर रिस्पांसिबल जीन्स. Okay, so a lot of people have got this problem of they have that impaired fat metabolism gene,
which is why obesity is common amongst Indians.
1, 2, ये लोग अगर कीटो डाइट में गया, they already have a problem with the fat metabolism.
Oh, and now
and
they're on
it can
keto.
actually lead to various other health challenges.
Right.
So मेरे ख्याल से जब भी आप एक स्पेसिफिक डाइट प्लान चूज कर रहे हैं तो उसके पहले आपको एक प्रॉपर जीनो मेटाबॉलिक एनालिसिस करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Otherwise it can actually give you contraindications.
Possibly that's the reason कि कुछ लोग हर तरह की डाइट ट्राई करते हैं बट तब भी उनका वेट लूज नहीं हो पाता, या हर तरह की एक्सरसाइज करते हैं तब भी वो शेप में नहीं आ पाते.
Absolutely.
The reason could just be कि उनके जो जीन्स हैं दे आर टेंड टू परफॉर्म अ सर्टेन वे, और उसके लिए कोई एक सॉल्यूशन हो सकता है जिसको शायद सिर्फ एक वो चीज करने से ऑल देयर प्रॉब्लम्स कुड बी सॉल्व्ड.
बिल्कुल. I think almost the same importance you need to give to your microbiomes in your gut. मेरे ख्याल से जब आप एक डाइट चूज कर रहे हैं, दैट टाइम द जीन प्रोफाइल कम्स इनटू पिक्चर. लेकिन ये जो माइक्रोबायोम का जो अगर you don't have the right kind of microbiomes, the bacteria inside your gut, that also can be one of the reasons that can actually make you obese or create problems. And now a lot of studies are going on that direction because आपने सुना होगा कि nowadays everybody is talking about that, the gut brain axis, जहाँ पे whatever kinds of things you are thinking as a brain function, majority of them are controlled by the gut. Like for example, the happiness chemicals like serotonin, 94% is produced in your gut. So that means who produces it? It's being produced by a bunch of protein, the bacteria. Okay,
like gut bacteria.
Yeah, the bacteria which produces it, or they break down it when they get a particular amino acid called L-tryptophan. तो L-tryptophan कहाँ से मिलते हैं? L-tryptophan आपको मिलते हैं डायरी प्रोडक्ट से मिलते हैं, डार्क चॉकलेट से मिलते हैं, एग से मिलते हैं L-tryptophan. तो जब आपने डार्क चॉकलेट खा लिया, look at that, how chocolate and happiness has got that connection.
Yes.
Now, but you need to have the right kind of bacteria inside your gut to break down that dark chocolate and extract the L-tryptophan and push the serotonin. So gut bacteria plays a very, very crucial role. If your gut is right, most of the things will be right.
Yes.
और gut का DNA जो हमारा जो जीन और gut microbiomes का मेजर डिफरेंस क्या होता है? हमारे जो जीन का जो होता है वो परमानेंट है. Once you understand, you understand.
Yes.
लेकिन gut microbiome हर एक मेरे ख्याल से 90 days में इसका जो प्रोफाइल चेंज करा सकता है, हो रहा है. So one time you did a microbiome test may not make much difference.
Yeah.
So you need to be very conscious about what you're eating and whether you are eating for your gut or not.
Otherwise even chocolate can't give you happiness.
No.
हम बात कर रहे हैं कि किस तरह से हम अपने जीन्स को, जेनेटिक सेटअप को समझकर we can modify our actions so that we perform best.
Yeah.
अपनी परफॉर्मेंस को हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं अगर अपनी लुक्स को, अपने वेट को, अपनी अपीयरेंस को, अपनी परफॉर्मेंस को, एनर्जीज को, मेमोरी को, हर चीज़ को हम इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं अगर हम अपने जीन्स के सेटअप को समझ जाएं, उसके ट्रिगर्स को समझ जाएं. सिंपल, समझ में आ गया. इज इट ऑल्सो ट्रू वाइस वर्सा? मैं बात कर रही हूँ उन एथलीट्स की जो बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हैं ऑलरेडी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टॉकिंग अबाउट प्लेयर्स लाइक विराट कोहली, रोनाल्डो, जो फिनोमिनल परफॉर्मेंस देते हैं. डज दैट मीन दैट इन सम वेज, इंटेंशनली और अनइंटेंशनली, दे आर डूइंग समथिंग राइट फॉर देयर जीन्स? मतलब उनके जीन्स के सेटअप के अकॉर्डिंग वो जो भी उनका लाइफस्टाइल है, खाना पीना है, एवरीथिंग इज इन अलाइनमेंट विद दैट, which is why they are able to perform so well.
There's no doubt about it. No second thought about it. Some people by default जो choose करते हैं, जो exercise को choose करते हैं, जो diet को choose करते हैं, it really
aligns.
fits. Yeah, it aligns with their genetic and metabolic profile. I would rather say they are lucky that it's aligned. Now, but at the same time, जब हम performance के बारे में बात कर rहे हैं, तो अभी sports में भी ये genetic profiling चालू कर दिया है. They've started checking the genetic profiling.
Okay.
Yeah. In China, in the school level, every child has to go through a genetic profiling to understand what kind of a sport will suit his gene profile.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we ourselves do specific sports-related gene profiling for about 100 genes, which are responsible for sports-related activities like your stamina, your endurance.
Yes.
जैसे आपका मसल का जो structure है, सब चीजों के ऊपर.
And why just sports? I mean, I would say for that matter, career choice should be made on the basis of your gene setup.
Because entrepreneurship, अगर आप देखें तो nowadays startup ecosystems are growing and people are looking. This is my favorite topic where I talk about always about performance rather than health. जहाँ पे अगर आप देखें तो आज के जमाने पे people are really drained out. You know, there's a lot of fatigue, distraction is too much. क्योंकि एक तरफ से देखे तो बहुत सारे चीजें एक ही टाइम पे चल रहा है. जैसे आप कॉन्वर्सेशन के बीच में 2-3 मैसेज आते हैं, आपका ब्रेन और डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हो गया. That's a time, you know, maybe one of the message can actually take you away from all those kind of discussions.
One post
One
and
post,
you're somewhere else.
yeah, and people post on the Instagram and waiting for the likes to happen. So that is actually they are actually enacting their dopamine receptors unnecessarily.
Yes.
It is actually creating something like an addiction, which is stronger and worse than kind of addiction from drugs. So all those kinds of things are around. So इस टाइम पे आपको ये सब मेरे ख्याल से रिवर्सिबल तो नहीं है. यानी you cannot actually leave all this and go to Himalaya and live. So you need to live with this. So that means you need to have a sharper brain. You know, जहाँ पे आप फोकस कर सकते हैं, distractions आप कम करा सकते हैं. You need to have a highly energetic body. जहाँ पे you can actually perform at your peak.
Yes.
You know, you need to have a mind which is so sharp you can actually analyze so many different things. तो ये सब आज का डिमांड है, रिक्वायरमेंट है.
Yes.
उसके लिए आपको आपके बॉडी, आपका जो डीएनए लेवल पे आपका प्रोफाइल क्या है वो समझ ले. यू अंडरस्टैंड योर प्रोफाइल, यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वर्क्स फॉर यू. बिकॉज आई हैव सीन इन मेनी प्लेसेस पीपल कंसिडर सर्टेन फूड एज हेल्थी फूड, सुपर फूड, healthy food. I don't know whether there is something exists called superfood in the world or healthy food. क्योंकि broccoli, which is good for some people, we have seen that कुछ लोगों का genetic profile allow ही नहीं कर रहे हैं क्योंकि broccoli contains something called sulforaphane, so which is not good for some people.
Yes.
So I think once you understand your profile, once you understand that this works for me, this doesn't work for me, then you know you can actually design your life the way you want.
Right.
मेरे ख्याल से स्ट्रेस फ्री, डिजीज फ्री एंड हैप्पी लाइफ आप जी सकते हैं. इट्स पॉसिबल, इट्स अ चॉइस.
I think which is why we always say listen to your body. I mean, this is in a way we are saying try to understand your own triggers.
Yeah.
If some so-called healthy food is not working for you, don't eat that.
Yeah.
Don't forcibly eat it.
Exactly.
If some kind of exercise you don't like doing it, then don't do it. This may be your genes asking, no, I don't
Absolutely.
want.
Could be, yeah.
So listen to your body, listen to your genes.
Nowadays, unfortunately, most of the people are listening to somebody else's body because they are looking at the social media. Okay, let me try this also. Let me try this diet. It doesn't work that way.
Yes.
You know, you need to know about your body, your brain, your cellular functions. आपको एक बार, you know, especially मैं लोगों से कहता हूँ यानी कि genetic profiling is just one time affair.
Yes.
You know, it never changes. Your genes never change.
Yeah.
So you decode your DNA once and get all the information once in your lifetime. That's it, period.
I think it should be a part of, I mean, ये तो पैदा होते ही हो जाना चाहिए. Because genes are anyway not going to change.
Never.
So it should be a part of your, जैसे होता है ना कि बेबी होता है तो there are several
वहाँ
tests
से ही आप
done.
habit create कर सकते हैं.
वहीं पे ही जीन टेस्ट करवा लो ना. वहीं पे जीन टेस्ट हो जाएगा, सारा पूरा आपका जो बायोडाटा है वो निकल करके आ जाएगा and you know what you want to eat for the rest of your life.
Exactly. We have seen cases where people have got genetically, they have a certain gene variant which is causing lactose intolerance. See, normally हमको पता है जब आपको lactose intolerance होता है तो you know you get some ideas like you know you have a nausea whenever you are taking milk, you have a vomiting sensation or headache. तो आपको पता होता है कि hey, I'm lactose intolerant.
Yeah.
But we have seen so many cases, हमारा ही clients जिनको कोई symptoms नहीं है.
Okay.
यानी कि no nausea, no headache, no vomiting when they take any dairy products.
Yeah.
But genetically they are lactose intolerant. We were quite surprised. तो यानी कि वो बाहर नहीं दिखा रहा है, लेकिन that has created some kind of leaky gut. And most of the autoimmune disease, if you go to root cause, it is leaky gut.
How are new signs and symptoms formed in the genes? ऐसा तो नहीं है कि जो मेरी नानी को, मेरी दादी को इश्यूज थे, मुझे सिर्फ वही इश्यूज हैं, या मेरे आगे वाली जनरेशन्स को भी सेम ही चीजें होंगी. कई बार बीच में कुछ नया भी इंट्रोड्यूस हो जाता है. तो ये जो नए कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, नए बिहेवियर इंट्रोड्यूस होते हैं, तो एक जो नए जीन्स बनते हैं या एक नए बिहेवियर्स जो ऐड होते हैं जीन्स में, वो किस तरह से होते हैं?
ड्यूरिंग योर पीरियड ऑफ लाइफ, जिस
Okay.
तरीके से आपने आपके बॉडी के ऊपर, आपके माइंड के ऊपर जिस तरह का जो damages create किया,
Okay.
some of those like smoking, drinking, all those things can create new mutations on your gene, which
Okay.
will be transferred to the next generation.
To the next generation.
So imagine, maybe that, अगर आपके parents ने अच्छी तरीके से, they were taking care of their, they were doing a great job in their life.
Yes.
And you got some good genes and you can actually damage and pass it on to the next generation. So हमारा कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि अरे यार मेरे अंदर जो भी है वो सब आया हुआ है, तो मैं जो भी करता हूँ उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Yeah, so it has got an impact. May have an impact on the next generation and the generation after that. So it's very important that we need to understand how to live a good, healthy life. Very, very important. I think most of the problems in life will be solved if you know this. Almost 9 out of 10 people we meet, so they are going through some inflammation. कुछ लोगों के लिए inflammation तो उनका weight gain वो सोचते हैं, लेकिन वो inflammation है कुछ लोगों के लिए. और कुछ लोगों को पता भी नहीं है कि they are inflamed. मैं लोगों से कहता हूँ एक simple test में बताता हूँ inflammation के लिए. जब when you wake up in the morning, if you are wearing a ring, just remove your ring, and if it is tight on your finger, you are inflamed. Period. That's the most simple test you can do. And you have no idea where you are inflamed, but you are inflamed. And जब वो टेस्ट मैंने लोगों से शेयर किया तो बहुत सारे लोग मैसेज डालना शुरू कर दिया, सर व्हाट टू डू नाउ. Till now I was thinking that I was healthy. Because after 1 hour it will be okay. But when you wake up. So I think inflammation is mainly because of the sleep, lack of sleep, because sleep is a time when you are getting a lot of repair work done. Majority of the people are not getting the proper repair done. तो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि नेक्स्ट डे आपके अंदर वो जो इन्फ्लेमेशन क्या होता है, जैसे यू गॉट एन इंजुरी हियर, ए कट हियर, you get a redishness and a swelling. That's called inflammation. That's inflammation. But that is required for cure.
Yes.
लेकिन आपके अंदर उस तरह का इन्फ्लेमेशन से जिनको हम कहते हैं chronic inflammation.
Chronic inflammation.
It's continuously there. That's what kills you. And जब आपको इन्फ्लेमेशन लग रहा है, यहाँ पे टाइटन लग रहा है, तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि your heart also is inflamed, your lungs also inflamed, your entire organs are inflamed. Imagine.
It's just a visible inflammation, but it is.
Yeah.
Yes, it is basically showing that your body is inflamed from inside.
So if you can't even fix that, how are you going to manage your life?
Yeah.
A minor thing.
Yes.
You need to figure it out. Maybe that you had some drinks on the previous night.
Yes.
Could be that, could be the reason. Or if that is the case, is there something like a post-party supplement or something? I don't know. Some methods are there, but still. But we need to figure out. You need to observe. Like आपने सही कहा, यानी कि you need to read your body all the time and understand what's going on.
Are there any other visible signs and symptoms which showcase that you're aging prematurely or you're doing something wrong with your body? Inflammation is one very clear sign.
Actually,
of that.
बाकी जो भी symptoms तो बहुत ज्यादा हो सकता है, यानी कि fatigue, brain fog, ये सब symptoms हो सकता है.
Memory also. Yeah,
slower memory. Actually, all are because of inflammation.
Because of inflammation. So root cause is always will always
because
be
you
inflammation.
Think about your brain if it is inflamed. Imagine your brain is this much. It is inflamed, this bigger. Slightly bigger, whenever it's inflamed, slightly bigger.
Yes.
So it can cause headache any which way, heaviness.
Yes.
आपका brain fog जैसा दिखता है. Whatever you feel like, there is a root cause. अगर आप देखें तो root cause there will be an inflammation.
We're talking about like how genes impact our health conditions. I want to talk about hormones. Somebody's libido profile or urge or other hormonal functioning in the body, are these also decided by the genes and how we are taking care of them?
Genes can influence क्योंकि उसके अंदर information है. हर एक hormone production का information gene के अंदर है.
Hmm.
लेकिन सिर्फ जीन्स की वजह से नहीं हो रहा है. Lifestyle
Lifestyle.
plays the most important role.
Yeah.
Now, testosterone, one hormone, which is generally male dominant hormone. Normal, अगर आप blood test करें, तो you have a range of 200 to 800 is a healthy sign. हम जब performance के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो it's testosterone, not just a sex hormone. It gives you drive. It gives you an entrepreneur needs a lot.
Yes.
So we consider in our place, we consider anyone who has got a testosterone, men who has got a testosterone level of below 600, it'll be very tough for him to be a successful entrepreneur.
Even below 600.
Yeah.
Which is like otherwise normal.
Otherwise normal. You need so much of drive. हर एक दिन आप जब, when you wake up, you need to push yourself. You need to have that level of testosterone. So we have seen the same thing. Women, when you look at thyroid cases, I don't know, it can be maybe a controversial statement, but still what we have seen is women जो hypothyroidism case में है, hypothyroidal case में है, the decisions they take when they have that condition, the decisions in business, especially in business or in job, most of the decisions will be wrong.
Women who have thyroid, hypothyroid, they cannot be.
They will take decisions.
They will take decisions, but they tend to take bad decisions.
Yes. So you cannot blame your gene for that. So it is a lot to do with the way you live. आपको आपके बारे में, आपके बॉडी के अंदर क्या चल रहा है उसके बारे में आपको जानकारी चाहिए. You need the right kind of advice, from a proper functional medicine doctor kind of a person who can actually guide you how to enhance your, testosterone level to 600, 800, 700, 900, whatever it is. So actually that is what is required when you talk about performance.
My God.
You need to fix it. Like if you have a hypothyroidism issue, you need to fix it. Period. It's not normal. Problem, Gunjan, I think right now we are living in a world where we are actually normalizing everything. Diabetes is normal. Hypertension is normal. It's okay. It's not okay.
It can actually change your life.
Absolutely.
Change your future, your present, the way you live your life. It can make you rich. It can make you poor. It can make you successful. It can make you a loser.
Absolutely. So what I say is that you should not compromise. Anyone who is having a lifestyle disease, thyroidal issues, hormonal issues, have to take a decision that I'm going to fix it. Period. Because it's your life, and we have got only one blessing. That's this life is the blessing we have got.
Exactly. And that's practically very true, because अगर किसी को कोई disease होता है, अगर किसी को कोई thyroid, diabetes जैसा problem होता है, तो उनके लिए every day it becomes very challenging.
Yeah.
Like they don't feel fresh when they wake up after a good night's sleep. They don't feel as fresh.
Exactly.
So how will they have a happy life? If they cannot even have one good happy day, how can they have a happy life?
Yeah. And most of the time, if you look at it, you are saying that because of the hormonal issues, the sleep deprivation, and many of the cases, if you look at it, what led to that hormonal issue is you compromised on the sleep some point of time in your life.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe
at some point in
time, you and now the nature is giving it back to you. Now the issue is you need to get a good, I would say, quality sleep. I'm not talking about the quantity. Some people say that 7 hours, 8 hours. Don't quantify things and get yourself stressed. A lot of people get stressed. I don't get that 8 hours sleep. Don't get stressed with that. You get a real quality sleep. You know that whether you got that quality sleep or not.
Yeah.
Aapka tomorrow jo hai, that is decided by your today's evening. आज इवनिंग से लेके आप क्या करने वाला है, that will decide your tomorrow. Tomorrow you may have a discussion which you are going to get $1 million contract. But आपने आपका जो previous night and previous evening आपने completely goof up कर दिया, so you're going to miss out that. Your brain won't work the right way.
Yes.
Because nowadays we are losing businesses at a wink of an eye. You have to be so sharp.
Yes.
Only if अगर आपको सही तरह का नींद मिला, you got a great sleep, then only your brain can function properly.
Absolutely.
With an inflamed brain, you cannot actually function properly. So on the previous evening, you have to make sure that you have that gap between the sleep and the dinner time, at least 2 hours of gap. Then you can actually make sure that you're not checking your mobiles and all, at least half an hour gap from the screen time. उस तरह का बेसिक सम एटिक्यूट आजकल बहुत सारे सोशल मीडिया में तो लोगों को पता है. So at least maintain that. I generally take magnesium every night.
Every night.
It gives me fantastic sleep.
Yes.
Now I know that we are going to have a conversation today, a podcast today. So I'm preparing today last evening.
Yes.
So, when should I sleep? Because we don't know. Every day there is a magic which is waiting for you.
Yes. So always be prepared for that $1 million deal which is going to happen tomorrow. Are you ready for it today?
Exactly.
Or are you compromising on your sleep and let it go?
Yeah.
The practices which are suggested by Ayurveda, do they also impact our genes? I mean, things like breath work, pranayam.
The closest science available in the world right now for epigenetics Ayurveda.
Oh, really?
क्योंकि Ayurveda का definition क्या है? Way of living.
Yes.
Ayurveda is a way of living.
Ayurveda.
Epigenetics is what? Epigenetics is the way of living. Like जिस तरह का खाना आपके लिए अच्छा है, what you should not eat, what kind of exercise you should do, what exercise you should not do, how much time, how you should sleep, and what is important. It's about the way of living.
Yes.
And only difference is Ayurveda में prakriti analysis करके vada pitta kapha permutation combination of that.
Yes.
From there you are actually understanding your body. Here you are actually understanding your body at a deeper level. In fact, there are some institutions in India जो लोग आप already genetics और Ayurvedic research combine करके काम शुरू कर चुके हैं.
Wow.
Already the work is on.
Amazing.
So they are seeing that maybe genetic profiling can give much deeper level of insights than a prakriti analysis. तो उससे जब आपका genetic profiling हमको मिल गया, these are the gene variants and this could be the expressions, and with this expression this could be the diseases. किस तरीके से आयुर्वेदा ट्रीटमेंट लेके prevent कर सकते हैं.
Okay.
Basically.
Okay.
So the study is already on, and I think hopefully that can be a breakthrough.
Wow.
Yeah.
So signs and symptoms from biology, genes analysis, and solutions from Ayurveda. When it will be combined together, of course.
Yeah, absolutely. क्योंकि आजकल कुछ लोग अभी भी इसके बारे में, आयुर्वेदा के बारे में, तो इंडिया में ही कुछ मैंने देखा है, कुछ मॉडर्न मेडिसिन डॉक्टर्स के खिलाफ बात करते हैं. They are saying it's not scientific, blah blah blah, all those stuff. But I think we have gone ahead and we have started understanding the science of phytochemicals. यानी कि जो herbs के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, चाहे वो अश्वगंधा हो, so अश्वगंधा के अंदर विथेनोलॉइड्स जो उसके अंदर जो फाइटोकेमिकल्स है, उसके बारे में अब रिसर्चेस अब अवेलेबल है. चाहे हम टर्मरिक के बारे में बात कर ले, we know that's one of the brilliant medicinal herb. Now उसके अंदर जो curcumin जो है, curcumin किस तरीके से काम करते हैं, how it can block inflammation. There are papers available now.
Yeah.
So I think we can do a lot, especially as Indians. That should be our responsibility also.
मैं एक्चुअली आपसे फूड के बारे में डिटेल में डिस्कस करना चाहती थी, बट अभी तक हमने जो डिस्कस करा उससे तो मुझे लग रहा है कि देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड एज अ गुड डाइट और अ बैड डाइट. A bad diet can be good for some people and a good diet can be bad for some.
At least to the little knowledge I have about food and all, I don't believe in all those fundamental concepts which are being built around superfood, good food. यानी कि yes, of course, मैं vegetable oil, yes, absolutely no. It can actually create all the damage. लोग सोचते हैं कि मैदा is the villain. Maida is not the villain. The real villain is sunflower oil. This is actually creating all the problems in the world. Sunflower oil was supposed to be used in paints.
Paints?
Yes.
Okay.
It was used in the paint industry. ये मेरे ख्याल से बहुत सारे बीमारियों को अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए ऑयल इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया. I think all the kinds of vegetable oils, whatever we talk about, the sunflower oils, they're all very dangerous. Change it with the olive oils, coconut oil. Now, one point of time, Western world coconut oil को इतना vilify किया कि कर रहा था, यानी कि कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ा रहा है. आजकल मैक्सिमम एक्सपोर्ट जो वर्जिन कोकोनट ऑयल का हो रहा है, वो सब अमेरिका के लिए हो रहा है, इंडिया से.
सारा good quality extra
virgin coconut oil goes to America. When you talk about the fast food culture, I think, or the KFCs of the world or the McDonald's of the world, मेरे ख्याल से अगर आप देखें, मेरा जो ओपिनियन है कि it's all about the oil. Okay, that's why even when I stay in a hotel, I don't take omelette. I only take boiled eggs. But I love omelette, but I don't like the oil.
Okay.
So if you can be conscious about a bunch of those kind of things, I think you're good.
And outside food, like it all contains oil.
This kind of
healthy.
oil.
Yes. What's your take on ghee for
Best.
aging?
Yes. Best. I start my day with ghee. A2, especially the Deshi ghee. Because A1 casein is inflammatory. So जो industrially grown cow से जो आप घी बनाते हैं, that is dangerous. वो आपका इन्फ्लेमेशन लेवल बढ़ाते हैं. बट जो देशी काउ है, जो आपको A2 घी कहते हैं, so that's really good. I start my day, I take 3 to 4 glasses of water, and after that, the first thing which goes into my body is an A2 ghee, 1 tablespoon. I know the benefits. It really works, not just on your gut, it works on your skin, it works on your brain, the most important thing.
Yeah.
Because it contains a lot of butyrates, which is very good for your brain. So I think that's brilliant. Yeah.
And Ayurveda also.
Yeah, Ayurveda also prescribe. Yeah, stamp on that. Yeah. MCT oil, because virgin coconut oil ka next derivative है MCT oil. That also works great wonders. We have got a coffee in V Roots, which has got MCT oil. We have mixed
coffee.
We have mixed curcumin also with MCT oil, which gives powerful results.
Very nice. So curcumin along with healthy fats.
Yeah, absolutely. MCT oil has got a great benefit, like it penetrates the blood-brain barrier. तो एडवांटेज है कि आप अगर कुर्कुमिन को सपोज आपका ब्रेन रिलेटेड इन्फ्लेमेशन से है, तो आप कुर्कुमिन और एमसीटी ऑयल साथ में डाल दे. यानी कि जैसे मैं पर्सनली आई बीन गोइंग थ्रू अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ साइनसाइटिस फॉर इयर्स. सिंस आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट 20 years I had sinusitis. कॉम्बी फ्लाम का लॉयल कस्टमर था मैं. और हमारा एक कंसल्टेंट है, फूड टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट है. शी इज द वन हु सेड, hey, why are you having this combi flam all the time? She said, why can't you take curcumin? So I said, I've been taking curcumin supplement tablets. तो उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं वो तो नहीं चलेगा, आपको फैट के साथ ही
absorption के लिए.
Because then I started mixing this. I take the curcumin, I mix it with MCT oil I buy from Amazon. And I used to take, and I started getting results.
Wow.
I started seeing my sinusitis not appearing at all. Then I thought this should be good,
Yes.
people should be able to consume in the right way.
Yes.
तो हमने क्या किया, हमने उसको कुर्कुमिन 95% हाई प्योरिटी कुर्कुमिन और MCT ऑयल को लिपिडिफाई करके पाउडर करके एक सैशे में डाल दिया, और we are selling it in V Roots now. It's our number one selling product.
Are these products available on Amazon?
Yeah, in our sites and also Amazon. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. We'll make sure and give the link in description.
Yeah. We'll give your subscriber special offer also.
Discount
maybe.
also?
Yeah. We'll give we'll put it in the.
Okay, great. Thank you for that. So you can give us some code or something like that.
Yeah, I'll give you a code with that. Your subscribers and followers can get maybe 20%.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you. That will be great. Dr. Nair, I also want to talk about nature exposure. And when we talk about nature exposure, I'm talking about sunshine, fresh air. However, unfortunately, in India, in metro cities, Delhi, Bombay, it's a little difficult to breathe the fresh air. But it is also very necessary for anti-aging and staying young, fit and everything. So since we are talking about, epigenetics and reverse aging and all these things, from Indian context, what our Indian audience can actually do to enjoy the nature?
I think, we cannot actually cover the reality which is there. Now, when you look at nature two ways we need to deal with that. One is the sunlight, second is the air, and also earth.
Yes.
I have asked this question to many people जो city में they live in the city. उनसे जब पूछता हूँ यानी कि what is the last time when your body touched earth? उस टाइम लोग सोचते हैं कि हाँ कब था, यानी कि नहीं मैं in my house I walk barefooted, but that's on a vitrified tile. Real soil, maybe on the beach, on the grass. What is the last time? Many people haven't even touched for the last 6 months, some people 1 year. This is very important क्योंकि हमारे बॉडी के अंदर जो 60 to 70 trillion cells है, these are all electromagnetic fields, and if you are totally disconnected from the earth, जैसे कि हर एक इलेक्ट्रिकल इक्विपमेंट यहाँ पे, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इक्विपमेंट यहाँ पे है, वो सब अर्थ किया हुआ है. हमारे बॉडी को भी चाहिए अर्थ थी. So at least once in a week, purposefully, that's why he said earlier also that you have to take it as an intention. Purposefully go out somewhere, walk barefooted, जहाँ पे भी हो. I have got so many people connected in Dubai. So कुछ लोग मुझे पता है, after knowing about it, at least they make sure जब वो मॉल में जा रहा है, वहां पे कोई लॉन है, तो immediately they remove the shoe and they just walk for 2 minutes there. Whenever you get a chance, especially you are living in a city जहाँ पे आपको मिलता है, जहाँ पे धरती पे टच करने के लिए या लॉन पे वॉक करने के लिए, you should not miss that. That's the most important thing, because earthing, the grounding or whatever you call it as, this can actually resolve many issues, especially neuro related.
I'm sure, and I'm sure if people will recall the last time that they really walked barefoot, they must have felt really good, because the feeling that we get, that connection with the soil and everything, I think dopamine release करवाता है वो.
It's fantastic, beautiful. Mainly because I have seen people coming out of minor neuro-related issues like pins and needles. जैसे कुछ लोग कहते हैं ना, पिंस एंड नीडल्स, यहाँ पे नंबनेस फील कर रहे हैं, और ये खा रहे हैं, न्यूरोबायन खा रहे हैं, ये खा रहे हैं, वो खा रहे हैं. But I say that just walk on this lawns or on the soil, and they start feeling that experience. They can see that experience happening. Number one. Number two, air pollution तो है ही, उसके लिए आप कोई solution हमारे पास तो नहीं है, यानी कि हम क्या कर सकते उसके ऊपर. But any which way you can actually use all this air purifier. But wherever possible, you need to be out there, maybe in the evening, wherever, और कुछ purposefully जहाँ पे pollution कम है, travel to that place once in a while. Okay, because we have to live in this world anyway. We cannot be something like someone, just because it's air polluted, I'm going out. We cannot live like that. We cannot live in the Himalayas. तो जो लोग city में stay करते हैं, live करते हैं, I think you should go for a detox once in a year. So वो अलग अलग तरह का detox available है. आयुर्वेदा में detox है, or you can actually go for a detox. There is something called chelation, which has to be done under the supervision of a doctor.
Okay.
Chelation, उसमें क्या होता है कि they inject a kind of a medicine called EDTA, जो जाके सेल के अंदर से जो heavy metals को bind करके बाहर लाते हैं.
Okay.
It's a very proven scientific methodology. So chelation. Okay. So मेरे ख्याल से at least once in a year, maybe once in 6 months, you'll have to really detox your body.
So all the toxins and metals and everything will flush out of the body, and you'll feel replenished again.
Absolutely. That's the solutions which is available now.
The way we have toxins accumulated in our body, we do also get toxins accumulated in our head, in our brain, in our emotions. When there's like a lot of negative thinking or toxic thoughts or toxic people, toxic environment, work culture, इन सब चीज़ों से भी हमारा माइंड पोल्यूट होता है, और देयर बाय हमारी लाइफ, हमारी वर्क एफिशिएंसी, हमारा मूड, सब चीज़ें अफेक्ट होती हैं. यू टॉक इन एपिजेनेटिक लैंग्वेज, थॉट्स, हमारी थिंकिंग और हमारे जीन्स, हमारे एपिजेनेटिक्स का कोई रिलेशन है?
इनफैक्ट मैं अगर बायोहैकिंग और एपिजेनेटिक्स के बारे में ज़्यादा बात तो कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन my doctorate is in thought process re-engineering.
Wow.
Cognitive studies, yeah.
Okay.
So I'm a strong believer that nothing can influence your genes more than your thoughts.
Wow, really?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. We generally say the brain and central nervous system, they are autocratic. यानी कि उनके ऊपर कोई सुप्रीम कोर्ट नहीं है. वो डिसाइड करता है ए है और ए करना है वो करेगा. Now, if inside this room, suppose my brain and central nervous system says that it's very hot, it's very hot. चाहे इसका temperature 20 degree हो, 23 degree हो. Okay, and then they will make me sweat. Period. Nobody can change it. तो अगर आप आपके ब्रेन के ऊपर मास्टरी ले लिया तो आप सबके ऊपर मास्टरी ले लिया. I always tell people that either you can master your brain, and if you don't master your brain will master you. There is nothing called neutral. जब आपका ब्रेन आपके ऊपर मास्टरी पाते हैं, you have no clue what this guy is going to do with you. To make your life so miserable. क्योंकि अगर ब्रेन हर एक जगह से सिग्नल्स रिसीव करते रहते हैं, somebody else is talking about you, that signal also is coming in. What's going on in the world? India-Pak war will be there. It will happen or not. So much of information, so many things which is happening around you. हर एक चीज आपके ब्रेन को इन्फ्लुएंस कर रहे हैं. नाउ अगर आपका कोई इन्फ्लुएंस आपके ब्रेन के ऊपर नहीं है, so it will be trained by other people. The most beautiful thing we should understand is that the brain is the most trainable organ. Unfortunately, I don't know why human beings are being created this way, that we believe that we are our brain. And our brain is me. My brain is me. I know I can understand about my hand. I have मेरे जो joint में एक दर्द है, I'm making it correct. But when it comes to brain, I don't know much about it because I don't see it. Maybe it could be that.
We never look at it like another organ.
Exactly. This is what I always train people to do. I do peak performance conventions in which the first thing what you do is I hypnotize them. There'll be 2,000 of people. I tell, this is you, this is your brain. You have nothing to do with this guy. This guy is different. It's not you.
Yes.
Okay? Now you're going to communicate.
Yeah.
हर एक मोमेंट पे जो भी चीज चल रहा है, you are going to challenge this guy.
Tell me something. If you're saying that you are not this and now you communicate, now that you're communicating with your brain, what is working here? Who's guiding you to communicate with your brain?
Now I'm sitting here और मेरे ब्रेन के अंदर एक सोच आ रहा है. Thought, it's coming in. There is a thought coming in. This is not going to be right. Suppose, So how did I get that thought? It's based on past information, stored data. Brain always creates thoughts based on stored data. तो यही तरह का एक सिचुएशन में मुझे पास्ट में 2-3 इंसिडेंट हुआ, उससे ब्रेन रिट्रीव कर रहे हैं वो डेटा और कह रहे हैं कि दिस इज नॉट राइट, दिस इज नॉट द प्लेस यू आर टू बी इन. Now I'm going to challenge my brain and I'm saying that, hey, I understand what you're saying. But the same day, I know where I am right now. Or I am here with a purpose. Keep quiet.
Okay, so we mean the information which is stored in the brain or which is accumulated from surroundings versus blank side of the brain. Your conscious, yes. A conscious brain which has no influence talking to a brain or a memory which is influenced.
Yes, absolutely. क्योंकि अगर आप आपके सोच के ऊपर ही भरोसा करना शुरू कर दिया, I think otherwise you should need to have a very good past.
Yeah. Yes.
So that's why we generally say, people, rich becomes richer, poor becomes poorer.
Yes.
Some people say he has got a Midas touch. वो क्या है?
Yeah.
यानी कि that his brain is trained in that way.
Yeah.
It'll identify the right things. It'll identify the right people. It'll identify the right opportunities.
And I think that's how beliefs are made.
Yeah, beliefs, because anything which you keep on thinking about, it becomes a habitual thought.
Right.
और उसके बाद एक belief, that's a neural pathway. A strong neural pathway is created. हमारे brain अगर आप देखें तो we generally call it as a white matter and grey matter, right?
Yeah.
तो मैं normally लोगों से कहता हूँ, यानी कि you can, if you really open your skull, you can see your beliefs. वो कैसे हो सकता है? All what you see as white matter is your belief. Because any neural pathway...
I thought that's fat.
Yeah, that's myelin sheets.
Yeah.
That's fat. So these myelin sheets are formed around the neural pathways. The The stronger the neural pathways, stronger the kind of sheets.
Beliefs.
So actually, it's a very interesting topic, but at the same time, if you can actually really train this guy the right way, you can actually fix many of the things. You can heal yourself.
Which is why people, those who believe or those who think or those who have the past and the memories that nothing good can happen with them, nothing good actually happens with them. Or those who believe कि मेरे साथ सब अच्छा होता है, उनके साथ सब अच्छा ही होता है.
You know, as per Einstein, anything which exists in this universe, tangible, intangible, is one form or another form of energy. Solid, liquid, gaseous, light, sound, thoughts be energy, hai na? That means if thoughts exist, it is one form of energy. Now, every energy has got frequencies.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, आपके सोच का ही frequency होता है.
Of course. Yes.
Anything which has got a frequency will resonate. Okay. Now, अगर आपके सोच उस तरह का जो सोच है जहाँ पे hey, nothing can happen to me, these things are not going to work out for me. So this has got a frequency. And क्या होने वाला है कि all those things having the same kind of frequencies will resonate.
Will attract.
लोग कहते हैं कि that's your thought, आप सोच रहे इसलिए हो रहा. Actually, it is true.
Law of attraction.
Yeah, they call it as law of attraction and all those kinds of various things. But basically, if you look at it, it's basically the frequencies which match. That's why we call it as vibe, there is a good vibe. Frequency and all those stuff.
Yes.
But coming back to thoughts, brain, and, the health, I think if you don't do anything else, and if you ask me one thing to live a long, healthy, productive life, I would rather say that the shortcut is if you can control this guy. Because that can actually change everything. जैसे कि अगर आप देखें तो नए हैबिट्स आपको क्रिएट करना है, he needs to support you. अगर आपको कुछ behavioral patterns change करना है, you need the support.
Is there anything specific you do to train this guy?
First of all, you should be aware that you can train. बहुत सारे लोगों को पता नहीं है. वो सोच रहे हैं कि मेरा जिंदगी ऐसा हो गया. This is my destiny. You can train your biceps, right? You can build it. And people go and do so much of work on this thing every day just to build this up. How much work you do to build this up? And 1, 2, आप 3 महीने के लिए काम किया, कुछ biceps build किया, उसके बाद 3 महीने कुछ भी नहीं किया तो biceps खत्म. ये मसल तो नॉर्मल हो जाएगा. But brain, if you have trained once, permanent, it'll remain there forever. So it's worth training it in the right way. See, अगर आप human है तो आपके मन में, आपके brain में negative thoughts आ जाएंगे. So उस time you have to be very conscious that are these thoughts taking me to the place where I want to reach? No.
Yeah.
Okay. So what kind of thoughts can take me to the place I want to reach?
Yeah.
So I can actually change the vocabulary and give that instruction.
In the form of affirmations.
Yeah, at least I can think about that.
So analyzing your thoughts is what we are talking about here, right?
Analyzing, being conscious. Because
being conscious of your thinking.
Yeah, don't try to control. Thoughts का एक ही problem है. The more you try to control, it'll try to dominate you. जब be conscious about your thoughts. Okay, something is going on right now. What's going on right now? ये मुझे मेरा जो डेस्टिनेशन पहुंचाने के लिए हेल्प करेगा या नहीं? नहीं, ये सोच तो नहीं करेगा. तो किस तरह का इसको जो चेंज करके किस तरह का सॉफ्टवेयर वहां पे डालना है?
Right.
Maybe it will look very artificial. But by the way, everything you trained your brain, you trained everything artificially. आप किस तरीके से bicycle चलाया? It was artificial in the beginning.
Exactly.
You didn't know. You were very artificial. आप किस तरीके से आप smoking चालू किया? It was so artificial. You took one or two facts and I cannot.
Yeah.
Then your peers were actually influencing you. You are a man or what? And now it is trained so well that you can do magic with the smoke. Rings आ रहा है बाहर. बहुत सारी चीजें करते हैं ना लोग इसको लेके. And after your lunch, if you don't smoke, you won't get digestion. मैंने एक बंदे से पूछा, यानी क्या स्मोक स्टोमक में जाके वो डाइजेस्ट कराते हैं क्या? पता नहीं सर, डाइजेस्ट लंच के बाद तो एक तो लेना ही है. So it's so programmed. So that's why I said that once you train it, it's permanent. You don't have to worry about it.
In fact, it becomes your brain and muscle memory that you don't even have to think about it, and you just do it.
Absolutely.
For example, as simple as driving a car.
Right.
You don't always intentionally put brakes or apply, put escalator on. Your brain muscle memory is there who's driving the car, and similarly your brain and muscle memory can make you think good thoughts.
Exactly. जब ये सुनते हैं तो लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा. अभी जो हम बात कर रहे हैं ना, but after that making a change is so difficult. Why? Because your brain's fundamental principle is that your brain always wants to work in a familiarity zone.
Comfort zone, familiar zone.
Not comfort, familiar. Whatever is familiar. जैसे कि आपके घर पे डाइनिंग टेबल है and you have got 8 chairs around it. And I can guarantee that you will sit exactly on the same chair every single night for the dinner. आपके घर, आपके chairs. Why can't you change the chair? Why can't you move to another chair? You won't. Because your brain won't allow, because you are so familiar with this one chair.
You know what actually happens? Whenever I change the chair, let's say we have guests at home and somebody has sat on my chair. If I change my chair, my food doesn't taste the same. I don't feel satiated. मैं खाना खाने में मुझे लगता है मेरे को टेस्ट ही नहीं आया खाने का, because I've just changed my chair. I need to sit here.
This is what it is. This is your brain. So that's called the familiarity zone. इसलिए हम देखते हैं ना, लोग जो लाइबिलिटी में ज्यादा जाल बीत गया और उसके बाद उनको लाइबिलिटी के बिना जिंदगी बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. They need liability some or other. You take them out of the liability, I can guarantee that after 6 months, check, they must have taken another loan.
My God.
Because their brain is already familiar with that zone.
With that behavior.
Yeah, loan, money means loan. Borrow. So this is the way it works. So जब आपको इसका साइंस समझ में आ गया, then what you need to do is that you have to do something regularly till it reaches a familiarity zone. एक ऑटो मोड पे जाना चाहिए.
वो नए पैटर्न्स बनाने के लिए, so keep repeating them till they become
because actually there is a pure play neuroscience behind it. I don't want to complicate it. There is a small part of your brain called insula. This is what decides where to spend energy.
Okay.
Now जब एक नया चीज आ रहा है, नया चीज करना है, मुझे आपको इस चेयर से यहाँ पे आके बैठना है. That's a new task. For the brain, it's consumption of energy. ब्रेन पूरा एनर्जी रिजर्व करके रखा है आपके बॉडी के फंक्शंस के लिए. You are achieving your dreams, buying the Mercedes is nothing to do with the brain. For him, the major task is to, your heart has to beat. Yes. Your blood has to get circulated. Your cells has to, all those work is
do
there.
The bare minimum.
all those work requires a lot of energy. तो उसके बीच में आप जाके एक नया टास्क दे दिया, तो that's a new energy consumption. So brain resists that. Now जो चीज आप उन्होंने रेसिस्ट किया वो बार बार आपने करना शुरू कर दिया, तो that is an energy drain for the brain. So automatically it will reach a point where insula will decide that put it into auto mode. I don't want to consume energy anymore. जब वो मोड पे आ गया तो that becomes a new habit.
Wow. Which is why starting में जिम जाना मुश्किल लगता है, but then when we go repeatedly, when we go every day, once it becomes a habit, it becomes easier,
and it reaches one point at which if you don't go, you feel like you're sick. Because you become so familiar with that environment.
Hence they say that 21 days is something.
21. Some latest studies say 66 days.
66. I also heard it.
It's all whatever it is. Till it becomes a kind of a familiar for your brain.
This is something जो लोग समझ सकते हैं और आज ही से implement कर सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
वो अपने actions को, अपने thoughts को control करना beautiful. सबसे अच्छी चीज ये थी कि खुद को खुद से बाहर निकल करके देखना और फिर खुद को ट्रेन करना, अपने ब्रेन को अपना एक ऑर्गन समझना, ना कि you're not your brain.
Your consciousness is not inside your brain. आपको वो समझना चाहिए और आप उसको बाहर लेके आपको आपके ब्रेन को क्वेश्चन करना शुरू कर दीजिए, like the way you treat any other organ. And along with that, give the right kind of brain food. See, यानी कि हमको ये समझना चाहिए कि whatever you eat, 40% of the nutrients brain takes, 20% of all what you drink, the water, almost 25% of the air, everything the brain takes. So अगर आप सही तरीके से फीड कर रहे हैं ब्रेन को, तो वो भी एक सवाल है, क्योंकि हम नेक डाउन पोर्शन के बारे में बहुत सोचते हैं, यानी कि we are very careful about what we are eating for the neck down. Neck up, we don't really know. There are two types of food for the brain. One is the actual nutrients. Second is it whatever you think. Now, about even the nutrients, brain needs a lot of fat because it's built of fat. You need the omega-3 fatty acids. You need MCT oil or virgin coconut oil. You need ghee, A2 ghee. These are all empowering your brain and its functionalities. That's one. And brain needs sugar. On one side, a lot of people are going behind talking about deprivation of sugar. But brain needs sugar.
That can be natural sugar as well.
Whatever it is, you need sugar. You need glucose. Brain needs glucose.
Yeah.
नहीं, glucose नहीं दे दो उनको ketone में but brain is not.
Which is why brain stops working when someone's on a strict diet.
That's what I'm saying. Brain is not supposed to be working on the ketones. Brain has to work on the glucose, and then it works the best. It's the best energies will come out. So once you have the right kind of nutrients and the kind of brain food giving, and then you start working with the brain, you can actually do a lot of things. Especially अगर आप एक entrepreneur है, बहुत सारे चीजें कर रहे हैं, 2-3 businesses चला रहा है, तो the organ on which you have to work the most is brain. जो हमारा जो प्रोग्राम है ह्यूमन परफॉर्मेंस ऑप्टिमाइजेशन, we call it as HPO. इस प्रोग्राम में I always talk about 3, that is body, brain and mind. Okay, I specifically talk about mind. Brain, because बहुत सारे लोगों के मन में mind बहुत important है, brain का कोई importance ही नहीं है. But I really don't know what you're talking about. क्योंकि mind exists only when the thoughts move through the brain. Otherwise, where is the mind?
Mind is brain in action.
That's what I'm saying. जब सोच आपके brain के अंदर से चल रहा है, उस टाइम आपको mind लग रहा है. Otherwise, I don't know, when you sleep, where is the mind? I don't know. So mind is a non-local domain. So आपको, yes of course, जब आपके emotions के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और सब चीजों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, तो yes of course that element of mind we can talk about. लेकिन वहां पे भी आजकल साइंस इतना एडवांस हो चुके हैं कि हमको पता है कि yes, अगर आप खुश है तो you have a higher levels of serotonin. आप मूड ऑफ है, हो सकता है कि you have certain imbalance in serotonin. If you are feeling romantic, it could be oxytocins. Or if somebody is not at all romantic, there is a deprivation of oxytocins. So I'm not making you too chemical, but still,
but ultimately it's all chemical.
It's all chemical. So कुछ लोग कहते हैं अरे इस तरह का चीज soft emotions को भी आप chemical मत बनाओ. Actually, every emotion is a chemical.
Yes. I remember Circuit का dialogue from Munna Bhai MBBS. कुछ chemical लोचा है. Yes. Doctor, there are some very short questions, like quick questions, which I want to ask you, and please feel free to answer them in simple pointers or if you wish to elaborate. Doctor, according to you, what are the top 3 tips people can follow to start looking younger from today?
Tip number 1, you have to feel that you're young.
Okay.
The most important thing is most of the people think that they are old and they are not good enough. They are not smart enough. They are not, but you have to start telling yourself, your brain, that I'm young, I'm energetic, I'm good enough, I'm smart enough. Yeah. That's the most important thing, number 1. Number 2, good sleep. Okay, I'm just talking extemporis without thinking. Good sleep. Because if you wanted to have a youthful skin, youthful eyes, and energy, because it's not your wrinkles, but it's your energy which reflects your youthfulness. मेरे ख्याल से वो बहुत important है. अगर आपका स्किन बहुत बढ़िया है और सब कुछ बढ़िया लग रहा है और आप ऐसे बैठ रहे हैं तो I think you are not looking, you are
You're
not
not
youthful.
feeling young, at
Yeah,
least.
you are not
Yes.
actually youthful. Take sleep as a priority and work on it. And third, start your day in the right mood, in the right way.
Wow.
क्योंकि कुछ लोग when they wake up, they feel like it's a burden. One
They
more
have
day,
to wake up.
one more day.
Yeah.
You know, you need to be inspired in life. अगर आप inspired हो तो आप youthful होगा.
Very true.
Yeah, if you're inspired, I have something to do in today, the best day in my life. जहाँ पे a motivational statement नहीं है, it has to come from within. Now, अगर आप inspired है या नहीं, वो चेक करने का मतलब एक टेस्ट है.
अच्छा, क्या है?
वो टेस्ट है कि you have got 2 times. That is when you wake up. There's something called a wake up time and a getting up time. You wake up. You woke up means आपका आंखें open हो गया.
You're in your consciousness.
Yeah,
now.
you are opened your eyes. Then you get up from your bed. अगर आपका waking up and getting up के बीच में ज्यादा टाइम है तो you are not inspired. Guaranteed. You woke up, but still you are thinking, oh, what to do today?
You don't want to get up.
But the person, if you are totally on fire, if you are totally inspired, I'm telling you, you wake up and get up. कुछ लोग मुझे लग रहा है कि they get up first and then wake up. Because they have got so many things to do in their life.
Right.
When you have a purpose in life, जहाँ पे आपको ड्राइव करने के लिए वो वाई फैक्टर जो पर्पस है, that is what makes you inspired to wake up every day. Or when you wake up, you need to express your gratitude for giving you one more wonderful day. क्योंकि जब आपके लिए एक दिन मिल गया, पूरे दुनिया में बहुत सारे लोग आज they couldn't wake up. You know what I mean?
Right.
So we are blessed. It's not our ability. It is not my talent. It's not my skill to wake up. Somebody woke me up. So thank you for waking me up.
Yeah.
कुछ लोग बहुत डिप्रेस होके ऐसे बैठते हैं तो मैं कहता हूँ you have got one reason to get excited. I said, what? You woke up today.
Yeah.
There are thousands of people couldn't wake up today. So I think these are some of the things to be youthful. The rest of the things, all science, supplements, all those kinds of stuff is
beautiful. The third point was bang on. I mean, if your goal does not wake you up, your goal is not big enough.
Yeah, बहुत सारे लोग मैंने देखा जो 30s में हैं, 20s में हैं. They look very old, mainly because they have no purpose. उनको पता नहीं है कहाँ जा रहा है. What do you really want in your life? क्या करना है जिंदगी को लेके? कुछ तो करना है. No idea. So I think they become older and older faster.
Actually, that's true. Many people, mostly people, they don't know what they want in their life.
Yeah.
They do know what they don't want.
That's
but they
main
don't
reason,
know what they do
Gunjan,
want.
for that main reason is they don't know why they exist. Like the most important question you need to ask yourself is, why do I do what I do? जैसे कि मुझे पता है कि आपका पॉडकास्ट बहुत सक्सेसफुल इसलिए हो रहा है कि you love what you do. And you must be deriving a reason for this. You know why I'm doing this. Okay. Many people don't know what they may be very good in doing something, but they don't know why they are doing it. जब आपको वो सवाल का जवाब मिल गया, तो I think you have reasons to get inspired.
One thing people should stop doing after the age of 35 to delay the signs of aging.
I think if you ask me one thing which you should not do, by which you can slow down your aging process, I think copying somebody else's lifestyle.
Okay.
दूसरे किसी का भी लाइफस्टाइल कॉपी करके आपको कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है. You will be in trouble.
Craft your own lifestyle.
Yeah,
which
yeah.
works
बहुत
for
सारे
you.
लोग ये कर रहे हैं अभी. स्पेशली सोशल मीडिया आने के बाद तो बहुत सारे लोग देख रहे हैं कि उनका लाइफस्टाइल कैसे है, शाहरुख खान का लाइफस्टाइल कैसे है, इनका लाइफस्टाइल कैसे है. और कुछ लोगों के लिए बहुत यानी कि कंसोलेशन भी देते हैं. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि वो देख लो, वो तो सिगरेट तो पीते हैं, उसके बाद भी वो यंग लग रहा है. But they must be doing something else. Maybe somebody who's taking 10 cigarettes a day
Yeah.
Maybe they may be taking a 25 grams of vitamin C injection along with that. Who knows? तो
Exactly.
आप जो सेलिब्रिटीज है, दूसरे लोग है, वो जो सोशल मीडिया में कर रहा है, दैट इज नॉट 100%. उसके पीछे और कुछ चीजें हो सकता है. So never try to copy somebody else's lifestyle.
My last question would be, from your book, The Making of a Superhuman, how can someone start their journey to become a superhuman?
Number one is awareness. Brain is a trainable organ. It's an awareness.
Yeah.
और उसी तरीके से अगर आप देखें तो आपके बॉडी, आपके सेलुलर फंक्शंस के बारे में अवेयरनेस. You know, the journey towards a superhuman is like having the awareness. जहाँ पे आप आपके सेलुलर फंक्शंस को डिकोड कर दो. जैसे आप जेनेटिक टेस्ट करवा दिया, वन टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट इन योर लाइफ, वहां से आपको पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन मिल गया. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ जीन वेरिएंट्स आपके अंदर है जो डिसीज में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, किस तरह का ट्रिगर्स इनको डिसीज में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं, किस तरीके से वो ट्रिगर्स आप ब्लॉक कर सकते हैं. सो अल्टीमेटली अगर आप देखें तो द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट फॉर अ सुपर ह्यूमन लाइफ इज being aware and conscious about yourself. And for that, जितने भी पैसा आप इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, that is the best investment you do in your life. जहां पे आप स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, कोई और का कंपनी का स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, आप रियल एस्टेट में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, लेकिन आपके ऊपर कितना इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच यू नीड टू थिंक अबाउट. एंड फर्स्ट थिंग इज बीइंग, बिकॉज लोग तैयार है जब आप बीमार हो गया उसके बाद तो जाके कोई टेस्ट करने के लिए तैयार है. लेकिन when you are healthy, you think you are healthy, that's a time when you have to do a complete assessment of yourself with the support of a functional medicine doctor or a coach. That's the first step towards moving towards a superhuman life. There is nothing like self-medication. There is nothing like, copying somebody else's life. Nothing like, देख लो वो जो बायोहैक कर रहे हैं उनका लाइफ कैसे है, वो क्या पीते हैं, क्या खाते हैं, वो ही मैं लूं. That doesn't work.
100 pills a day.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. For me, it looks quite funny, Yeah.
Amazing. Great. Thank you so much. That was very insightful, very different kind of a conversation, which we don't usually have on this show. And a lot of new stuff which I learned, and I'm sure our audience also learned. And I would really want them to mention in the comments one thing they loved about this podcast, one thing they learned, what is their takeaway, क्या सीखा, क्या समझा, क्या नया जाना. प्लीज कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं.
और इंटरेस्टिंग.
और
उन लोगों के लिए हम एक रिवॉर्ड भी दे देंगे.
क्या रिवॉर्ड?
यानी कि हमारा एक ऐप है, सुपर ऐप है.
ओके. जो
उसका नाम है TRIGR, ट्रिगर.
ओके.
जो उसके अंदर तकरीबन 4,900 ट्रेनिंग, यानी कि फिटनेस ट्रेनिंग जो AI ट्रेनर के द्वारा you can actually do it by yourself at home.
Wow, amazing.
Plus you have got a face scan which it gives you 10 plus health markers.
Super.
तो हम जो लोग आपका जो कमेंट डालने वाले वो सभी को हम ये ऐप डाउनलोड फ्री 1 महीने के लिए दे देंगे.
Wow.
Let's enjoy and experience their own health.
It can't get any better, guys.
We can give the link in below, right?
Yes, definitely. We'll give all your links, जो भी आपके वेबसाइट के, और जिन लोगों को भी आपको रीच आउट करना हो, आपके लिंक्स हम डिस्क्रिप्शन में देंगे. So guys, hurry up. Do share your comments and like the video if you loved or if you learned something new. And thank you so much, Doctor, once again for all your time and for all the knowledge that you imparted.
It was definitely a pleasure and very sharp, good questions. Like, I think we covered everything from the cells to the brain and the thoughts, and I think it went in all different directions. I really love the conversation. So wish you and also all your subscribers and followers a great, healthy, long life.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.